Alright, hello and welcome to a new tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to make those like ambient, like old school sounding melodies like TM88. So I kind of showed this off in my other tutorial, but I'm just going to go in here. I already opened like a flute. I'm just going to play like a couple random notes. Don't take it too seriously. And then I'm going to show you how to like process it. Alright. So I'll just leave it at that, so you hear how it sounds now. I showed you guys, I used this on a guitar in my last video, but just so you guys understand it like a little bit better. So this is like a preamp. It just basically adds like a 60s sound to it, to like your older, like it just makes your shit sound older, more old school. Alright. And then if you want like ambient melodies, a lot of the time you gotta take out a lot of the high end. And then just add some reverb. Alright, now let's compare that to the original. Back to the... See, this is just a default flute from Omnisphere. There's no effects or anything added to it. Like, there, see, it's the default that it comes with. See, now what this does, so basically let me just explain it. So with the EQ, you're cutting off the high end. So right, so that makes it less brighter. The reverb, it makes it wider. And then this gives it that old school, you know, like the heat. Honestly, I still really have no idea what like this is technically doing, but this is just giving you that like that 60s, that life to your tracks. You know what I mean? So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something. You can use this on guitars, flutes, pianos, whatever you want. And if you don't have this plugin, Little Radiator, you can use Isotope Vinyl. That's free. But I like this one, and it's pretty good. So I use this one. And Echo Boy, if you don't have this, you can just use Fruity Reverb. But I like Echo Boy, so. Alright, anyways, thank you guys for watching. This was just a quick video. Please like, please subscribe.